Hi, this is Louis from DeParee. DeParee is a hosiery brand based in Taiwan with more than 35 years history. We provide various products from stocking, fashion socks, sports socks, compression socks to antibacterial socks. Quality and stylish lifestyle are the core values of our company. We use fine materials and delicate processes to produce our products in order to make the lifetime last for longer and create better user experience. Regarding our fashion socks, they have their stylish identity that different from other brands. And it is our dedication to modern consumers' taste of being unique. We wish to support our users to build their personal style as well as self-confidence. These socks are usually designed with certain topics that could convey stories or ideas to consumers. For instance, our Guardian Collection fashion socks feature the pattern of ocean, animal, and crops to show the beauty and importance of the Mother Nature. Being environmentally friendly and lowering the impact is one of our key targets to achieve. We have been developing new products with eco-friendly material. For example, we use Escafe, the yarn made from recycled coffee ground, and Zis collagen, which contain recycled fish scale collagen. The green materials then transfer into stockings or pantyhose, and it is a long-term task for us to keep creating green products, and we will continue to make contributions to the environment. Healthiness is another trending topic in the hosiery industry. Sports socks, compression socks, and antibacterial socks are the suitable solution for people who are aware of healthy issues. Our sports socks are created for human body structure. As an example, the bottom of the socks features the cushion, which could reduce the shock wave while jumping or running. An elastic fiber, which is used to support the arch of foot, which could ease the pressure. For more intensive exercise or training, compression socks with different pressure in specific spots could effectively lower the tightness and pain. Furthermore, there are certain products that integrate antibacterial fiber, such as graphene and zinc oxide, which could restrain the growth of bacteria and keep the feet in a healthy condition. Apart from our domestic market, we are constantly looking for more overseas opportunities by providing sophisticated OEM and ODM service. Currently, we have worldwide clients from the US, the UK, Australia, Saudi Arabia, and so on. We welcome business partners from all over the world, and it is our pleasure to share our products and values with you.